Okay, so looking at isosceles triangles, if I quickly draw a triangle here, we know if it's an isosceles triangle if there are points like this on it, little marks. And an isosceles triangle, you should know, is a triangle with two sides that are the same and also two angles that are the same. So these two angles are the same as well. So say, for example, this triangle, the angle here is 50 degrees, then this angle here must also be 50 degrees. So if those two are 50 degrees, we can then work out what this angle is here. We do 180 minus 50 minus 50, and that gives us 80 degrees. Okay, so whenever you have a triangle with two sides that are the same, these two angles are also the same. So if you're given this one, straight away you can write this one in. Okay, we'll have a look at some examples. Okay, so here are three examples of isosceles triangles questions. In this first case, I have an angle here of 42 degrees, so I know that this one here must also be 42 degrees. So to work out x, I need to do 180 minus 42 minus 42, which gives me 180 minus 84, which gives me an answer of 96 degrees. Okay, question 2. We have an angle here of 110 degrees. This is on a straight line, so this angle here must be 70 degrees. If that one's 70, then because it's an isosceles triangle, this one is also 70. So to work out x, I again do 180 minus 70 minus 70, which is 180 minus 140, which gives me an answer of x equals 40 degrees. Final question. I have two parallel lines here. This one is 75 degrees. So because of alternate angles or z angles, this angle here must also be 75 degrees. We ignore the triangle to start with and we just think about our parallel lines. So if that one's 75 degrees, this one must also be 75 degrees. So to find x, same method, 180 minus 75 minus 75, which is 180 minus 150, and that gives me x equals 30 degrees. Okay, so use this method and apply it to the questions. There's some good examples on the worksheet I've given you. Good luck, have fun.